Hello, today I am making red lentil soup. You're going to need 2 cups of red lentils and please rinse them. Rinse them until all that foam goes away. In the pot I have 1 large sliced carrot, the 2 cups of red lentils, keep them in a jar, 1 tablespoon of minced dried onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, not garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can salt and pepper it after. Add about 1 quart and a half of boiling water. It makes it quicker. This is the Instant Pot cooking. I have 2 packs of ham bouillon. You can use chicken. This is kind of cool if you want a nice ham flavor. If you're a vegetarian, of course you wouldn't use that. You would use vegetable broth. Put the lid on. Line up the arrows. I use white out so I can line them up. On my particular Instant Pot, this is the release valve. This is natural release and manual release. I put it on natural release. Pressure cook. Adjust the time. $14. It'll take probably less than 15 minutes to heat up this Instant Pot because I pre-boiled the water. So the timer went off. I did a rapid release, manual release. As you see, the red lentils are cooked. You can add onions, celery, whatever you like, but this is just plain red lentil soup. That's what I want to taste. And for color, I added the carrots. So now I'm going to taste it without salt and pepper. It's very good, very quick, 14 minutes, and add your salt and pepper to taste. Thank you for watching.